So Radhika, lights, camera, action का टाइम आ चुका है.
वेट, लाइट्स कैमरा एक्शन से पहले इस फेस्टिवल की असली स्टार को बुला लिया. I'd request Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani, Honorable Minister of Textiles and Information and Broadcasting, to please come up on stage.
Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you for a lovely evening that you've hosted. Rajkumar Rao, Radhika Apte, let me say this. You are a pride, not only for the industry, not only for the creative business, but also India per se, because you're the young talent that resonates across the world.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your Excellency, Governor of Goa, Srimati Mridula Sinha ji, the Dynamics Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Manohar Parrikar ji, legends of the Indian film fraternity, our guests from around the world, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Government of India, let me all welcome you to the 48th International Film Festival of India. हमारे देश में लगभग 1600 डायलेक्ट्स में कहानियाँ बोली जाती हैं. आज का ये फेस्टिवल का समारोह अपने आप में इसलिए अनोखा है क्योंकि इसमें 5 साल की पीहू भी है, किंग खान ऑफ रोमांस भी है, नाना पाटेकर भी हैं एंड द एथरल श्रीदेवी भी हैं, और साथ ही एक महिला निर्देशिका हैं जिन्होंने राजकुमार राव की टूटी हुई टांग पर भी बर्फी का नाम लेकर बहुत नचाया बरेली की बाजार में. आज इस मंच से मैं यहाँ उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों को आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ. जैसे शाहिद कपूर ने कहा, ये देश सेलिब्रेशंस का है, ये देश उत्सव का है और ये देश यंग एनर्जी का है. सो irrespective of the generation of actors, storytellers who are here this evening, it is our endeavor on behalf of the Government of India and the Government of Goa that we invite filmmakers from the world over to this land of stories. As King Khan said, connecting the world through stories, that is the endeavor of the 48th International Film Festival of India. Yet again, my grateful thanks to the screening committee, which has legends again like Piyush Pandey, Siddharth Roy Kapoor, who holds the banner of the Guild, Mr. Bharat Bala, Vani Tripathi, Nagesh Kukunur. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have the very celebrated Subhash Ghai ji seated here today. And I'm glad that we have an international jury headed by the dynamic Muzaffar Ali. I'll not say much. I think राजकुमार राव, ये बात देश भर में जानी चाहिए कि आज अगर तुमने मजाक किया तो सिर्फ ईरानी के नाम पर मंत्री का किया, which shows what a tolerant government we are. Thank you. आभार इसलिए आपका व्यक्त कर रही हूँ कि कम से कम ये कोई ना कहे कि बीजेपी वालों ने एक एक्टर की टांग तोड़ दी. So my warm welcome to the chairperson of the CBFC, Prasoon Joshi, the man of a moment, and also our FTII chairman, Anupam Kher. I have another lady seated here in the front row, Diana Penty. There are many names, ladies and gentlemen, and this festival, it starts today until the 28th of this month, will help you meet some of the biggest and the brightest names in the Indian film industry. This evening would not be complete without thanking a doyen of filmmaking, the pride of Northeast, Jano Barua, and somebody that we have celebrated and somebody who has led us very ably, irrespective of the fact that he has claimed he's anti-establishment to the core, Shri Rahul Ravel. I will be absolutely unjust if I do not mention that this festival could be what it is because of the labor and the intense hard work of our Secretary INB, Shri N.K. Sinha. So ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Government of India, Government of Goa and our partner nation, Canada, welcome to the 48th International Film Festival India. Enjoy the ride and hope to see you at the closing festivities. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much.
स्मृति मैम, एक मिनट. वैसे तो हमें मौका नहीं मिलता कि हम पॉलिटिशियंस को कमांड दें, बट आज मौका है तो एज अ टैक्स पेयर आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि प्लीज थोड़ी देर और रुक जाइए. देखिए, सेल्फीज का जमाना है और अगर सेल्फी ना हो तो मतलब थोड़ा मजा नहीं आएगा, राइट?
बिल्कुल. कौन मना करेगा जब श्रीदेवी शाहरुख खान एक साथ एक फ्रेम में हो? Who will ever say no?
So we would like to call on stage the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. A.R. Rahman, Mr. Vishal Bhardwaj, Sridevi ji, Mr. Shahid Kapoor. The Consul General of Canada in Mumbai, Mr. Jordan Reeves, Mr. Muzaffar Ali, Ms. Maxine Williamson, Mr. Roger Christian, Mr. Zahi Grad, Vladislav Oblians, Mr. Majid Majidi.
I request all of you to please join us on stage so that we can capture this precious moment of this special evening.
Thank you so much. Oh, you want us to come as well? Okay. Come.
Really?